Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the account or device whose activity you will delete. Make sure you have two-factor ready if prompted. Once logged in, go straight to Settings, then Privacy or Activity Controls. This is where Browser, App, and Search History live. Make sure to glance for any sync or backup toggles and disable them if you want deletion to stop propagating elsewhere. If you need a copy, export, or screenshot now, because the next steps remove records permanently. You now narrow the scope. Choose a date range or specific product like web, app, or location so you delete only what you intend. Use the search box or checkboxes to pick individual entries or select all to remove broad swaths. This reduces accidental loss. Once you have selections, review them visually. Make sure the examples match your intent. If there are related sync devices listed, uncheck or pause sync so deletion doesn't get reversed by another device once you finish. You finish by choosing Delete, Remove, or Clear. When a confirmation dialog appears, read it and confirm to proceed. After deletion, make sure to check sync devices and connected accounts because some systems only mark items deleted locally until sync completes. Once done, verify by revisiting the activity view and refreshing. You should see no entries in the range you removed. If something persists, clear your browser cache, sign out everywhere, restart the device. Then repeat the deletion steps to force full removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.